A few weeks ago, I was at the edge of burnout, but I did something that helped me stay on top of it, and I want to share it with you. Now, there are different types of burnout and different expressions, but burnout in itself is not the problem. It's a symptom of the real problem. They disconnect between your current actions and your current state and the desires of your heart, or where you have seen yourself mentally. Say, for instance, you want to start making millions in your business, but right now you're making hundreds of thousands, and every single action you are taking right now is keeping you stuck in hundreds of thousands. Or you want to get a better job, but every single thing you spend your time on right now is keeping you stuck in your current job. You see that disconnect where you're like, this is where I am and this is where I want to go. That is what leads to the burnout if it is left unchecked. Because burnout doesn't just happen, it comes as a result of unwillingness to observe the problem and do something about it. Somehow you just wish that someone would just come and take your problem away, or things would just get better. But it ain't gonna happen. You have to do the work. You have to change what you don't like in your life. Because on the one hand, if someone just comes and snaps his finger and changes everything, you may not have what it takes to sustain that new reality or pivot to something better. And on the other hand, if you just burn out, you just give into burnout because you don't do anything about it, what happens is that when you finally get yourself back, you come back to the same situation you were running away from in the first place. Either one of them is not good. What do you do when you are faced with burnout? Start taking steps in the direction of your dreams and desires. Observe the situation. Why am I feeling like this? And then start working on it. You may have to do some things abruptly, you may have to do it gradually, but start doing something. And if you start this, what you'll observe first is that there will be this new burst of energy because you are now working towards something that you really desire. And the second thing is all those off weird feelings you were having before will begin to fall away. So if you want to change your energy state, this is what you should do. Nobody will do this for you. You have to design the kind of life you want so you can sustain it, and you can do it. You start taking steps in the direction of what you really want, gradual steps here and there, and just watch how everything changes. I know this has helped you. If you try this and it works, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in my next video.